breaking news.
And we do begin with that breaking news from Plymouth. Both the Commonwealth and prosecution have rested in the trial of Lindsay Clancy. Thanks for joining us this afternoon. I'm Priscilla Casper.
And I'm Colton Bradford. So now after 3 weeks of testimony, we know that 18 jurors heard the evidence. That number, that 18 jurors there, it's going to be trimmed down to 12 before the deliberations can begin.
Yeah, at NBC 10's John Maroney joining us live in Plymouth with more on what we can expect. John.
Priscilla, good afternoon. Closing arguments are now set in the case that has captured the nation's attention. Once those are done, the jury can begin to deliberate.
Tomorrow morning, should be ready. We're going to have closing arguments and the legal instructions.
Judge William Sullivan instructing the jury on the next phase of Lindsay Clancy's murder trial. Now the testimony is done.
Heard all the evidence, but you haven't heard the arguments from the attorneys. You haven't even heard, like I said before, the law that you're to apply. So you still have to keep an open mind.
She described thoughts of hurting the kids.
Patrick Clancy was the first witness on July 27th. In all, the prosecution called 74 witnesses, the defense 10. Accused of strangling her 3 children, Cora, Dawson, and Callan, the Duxbury mother pleaded not guilty to 3 counts of first-degree murder, saying she's not criminally responsible because she was suffering from postpartum psychosis.
My opinion is that she did have the capacity to appreciate right from wrong.
Testifying for a second day, Dr. Gregory Sathoff was the last rebuttal witness. He evaluated Clancy for the prosecution and told the jury she knew what she was doing when she strangled her kids, given her planning and control during the day of the killings.
She chose to manipulate her providers, seek out a quick and easy fix.
Defense attorney Kevin Reddington attacked the credibility of the state's witness and read from the prosecution's own opening statement, asking him what he thought.
I think that statement that you read really minimizes what she was going through.
Now, Judge Sullivan has decided to give both sides, each side, 1 hour for closing arguments. Those will take place tomorrow morning. We're live in Plymouth. John Maroney, NBC 10 Boston.
All right, John, thank you. And if you're pregnant or a new mother and are in crisis, we want you to know help is available. The National Maternal Mental Health Hotline provides free confidential support 24/7 in English and Spanish. You can call or text that number on your screen. It's 833-852-6262. And be sure to stay with us for continuing coverage of the Lindsay Clancy trial. We'll be bringing you those live coverage of the closing arguments and jury instructions tomorrow morning. Our coverage starts at 9.